Welcome to the next class, that is chapter number 14. Children, this is last chapter of your syllabus and it's very simple. Okay. Now symmetry. What is symmetry? Look here. A figure is said to be symmetrical if it can be folded and matched. You can take example of two hands. If you join your hands and if you see your hand from one side, it appears that only one hand is there. Why? Because one hand, each and every part of one hand completely overlaps the other part of the hand. Like as I'll give you example. See children, you can see this paper. Clear? I'm going to fold this paper now. You can see this part of the paper is completely overlapped by this part of the paper. Clear? That means this is what? The line of symmetry. The line along which you fold it, that is called line of symmetry. Is that clear? So same way, if this way also I'll fold the paper. Clear? So one part, this part completely overlaps this part. Clear? So this is rectangular shape. It has two lines of symmetry. One along this way and one along this way. Clear? So line of symmetry is the line along which if you fold the figure, one part of the figure completely overlaps the other part of the figure. So this figure you can see, if we fold this part over this part, it will completely overlaps. Same way, if we fold this figure along this way, it will completely overlap, and in this way also. So this is called horizontal line of symmetry, and horizontal and vertical you all are familiar with. Clear? This is vertical and this is diagonal line of symmetry. Diagonal means line joining the opposite corners. Now this figure has four lines of symmetry. You can see one along this way. I'll prove it over here. This is a square. What it is? Square. And I already cut a piece of paper in a square form. Clear? All the sides, this side is equal to this side. All the sides are equal. Now let's see. I'll fold it this way. See, one half completely overlaps the other half. So this is one line of symmetry. Now I'll fold it along this way. Clear? Clear? So again, this half completely overlaps the other half. Two lines of symmetry. Now I'll fold it along diagonal in this way. Yes. Again, this half completely overlaps this half. Three lines of symmetry. Now I'll fold it along this corner. Clear? So you can see this half completely overlaps this half. So square has four lines of symmetry. Clear? Now you can see children exercise 14.1 which, okay, before exercise 1, let's see this figure. If I'll draw dotted line over here, so you can see this part is not matching with this. So this figure has no line of symmetry. Here this is letter B. Clear? This is the line of symmetry. That means if you fold it over here, this portion will completely overlaps this portion. Clear? So it has line of symmetry. Same way, this is like traffic lights. Clear? So if you join it this way, this half will completely overlap. Clear? This is also line of symmetry. If you fold it along this way, again it will overlap. Now exercise 14.1, which letter has horizontal line of symmetry? Horizontal means this way. So we already discussed. See children, here B is drawn in this shape. Simple B, generally you draw it like this way. Clear? So if you fold it along this side, it will completely overlaps. So if you see this figure, you must be thinking, clear, that this part is not same as of this part, but a simple C when you are drawing. Clear? So if you write yes or no for this figure, both the answers we will consider. Clear? So simple C, if you fold it this way, it will completely overlaps. G doesn't have any line of symmetry. Even B also, if you draw the line of symmetry, you can see upper shape is not same as of the lower one. Now, which letter has vertical line of symmetry? So for your convenience, I have drawn simple letters as you are drawing. So see children, this is the line of symmetry for T. If you overlap it this way, this half will completely overlap this half. So T is having vertical line of symmetry. Same way, M you draw like that. So it is having vertical line of symmetry. This half will completely overlap this half. Same way J also, it is not having any line of symmetry. Clear? Because this half is not same as of this half. A, yes, it has line of symmetry. Clear? So this part will completely overlaps the other part. Next question, how many lines of symmetry you can find in the following picture? See children, this is a square. This practically I made a square over here. So by example, by cutting a paper, after cutting a paper, I have shown a demo for this question. Clear? So there you have seen a square is having 4 lines of symmetry, 1 along this way and 2 along diagonal. Is that clear? So square is having 4 lines of symmetry. Now this is a star. See children, how many lines of symmetry a star is having? I have drawn all the lines of symmetry and total line of symmetry are 8. How? First of all, you have to join opposite corners. This corner with this corner, this is one line of symmetry. Then this corner with this corner with this, and this corner with this. With that, you will obtain 4 line of symmetries. Then this corner and this corner will be joined. This corner and this corner will be joined. This with this and this corner with this. Another 4 lines will be obtained. So total line of symmetry are 8. Total number of lines of symmetry. So one side you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can't count these because these are part of same lines. This line only. Clear? So one side only you will calculate. Count it. Total line of symmetry are 8. Next is rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? We can rotate the shape or the image about a point with rotational symmetry and it should look same. Rotational symmetry means if you rotate the figure, how many times you can rotate the figure so that its shape should not change, it will look same only. That is called rotational symmetry. Let's see. Look here children, this is very important, you have to go through it. Okay, you have to go through this table also you have to go through. Clear? Now let's see exercise 14.2. First figure, determine the order of rotational symmetry of the following image. It means how many times you can rotate the figure so that it should look same. See children, if this corner you take over here, it will remain same only. Its shape will remain same. If you take it this side will be taken over here. If you take it here, if you take it over here, the shape of the figure will not be changed. But the matter is how you will find out that rotational symmetry is of which order. So for that, you count the number of corners. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the rotational symmetry of order 16. Clear? Now come to this. This is an octagon. Clear? 8-sided figure. If this side is taken over here, it will remain same. So if this side will be taken over here, no change will be there. If this side is taken over here, no change. So count how many times you can rotate the figure. Count the number of sides or corners you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 8 times you can rotate the figure and it will look same. In this way, this is hexagon 6-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times you can rotate it and it will remain same. Now children, Z you can see, this is shape. You can draw Z on a paper and rotate the figure. See, it will look Z only. If you rotate the figure, it will be same. That means 2 times. If this portion, this is taken over here and this side is taken over here, Z will remain same only. So what is the 2 times you can rotate the figure? Question number 5 children, you can see if this portion is taken down and this side is taken upside, there will not be any change in the figure. That means 2 times you can rotate the figure. It will remain same. Next is, this is an equilateral triangle. If you take this corner over here or this corner over here, it will remain triangle only. So how many times you can rotate the figure? 1 is at present 1. If you take this corner over here, 2. If you take this corner over here, 3. So 3 times you can rotate the figure. 8. In this case, star, how many times you can rotate the figure? 1, 2. If this is taken over here, this is taken over here. So count how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times you can rotate the figure. and square already we discussed with a demo. Clear? How many lines of rotation it is having? One this way you can rotate, this side also. So number of corners, if you take this corner over here, this corner over here, this corner over here, clear? The figure will remain same. There is no change. So 4 times you can rotate the figure. This is very important, children. We find that regular pentagon is having 5 sides. So how many lines of symmetry it is having? 5 lines of symmetry they have shown. This is what? Equilateral triangle, how many sides? 3 sides. So 3 lines of symmetry. Square, 4 sides, 4 lines of symmetry. This is what? Hexagon, 6 lines of symmetry. This is octagon, 8 lines of symmetry. This is very important. You have to go through it. Exercise 14.3. This triangle they have shown. A triangle is cut into 2 parts. Using this line, is this half is equal to this half? No. No, 2 parts are not symmetrical. A square is cut into 2 halves. Is this half is equal to this half? Yes, they are same. Now circle is cut into 2 halves. Is this part is same as of this part? Yes, they are same. Now fill in the blanks. A regular octagon has, octagon just now only I told you, 8-sided figure. So how many lines of symmetry? 8. An equilateral triangle has dash lines of symmetry, 3 lines of symmetry. A regular hexagon has, hexagon 6-sided figure, so 6 lines of symmetry. Exercise 14.4. Akshat cut a cake into 2 halves. Are these 2 halves same? Yes. This cake is circular. Clear? So if you cut it, so 1 half will completely be equal to the other half. Yes, it will be same. A cricket ball is cut into 2 parts. Are they same? Yes, this part will be exactly same like this. Yes. A cylindrical pipe, you can see it's cut into 2 parts. Is this part is same as of this? No. A candle is cut into 2 parts. Is the upper part is same as of the lower? No. Then after this apple they have shown is cut into 2 halves. Tell me whether these 2 halves are same. No, because one side leaf is there and this side it is not there. So it is not same. With this your syllabus is finished. Clear? So all of you prepare well for your exams. All the best. Thank you.